Welcome back to TeshKidFX for another Fantom price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is trying to battle out with the 20-day MA here on the 1 hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue gearing up. We are also holding above a key area of support at around the $0.5 mark, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey this chart pattern, which is right here, which is an ascending channel, which could possibly give us a breakout to the upper side before we can see a retest of the upper side of the channel, then continue gearing up and continue unlocking higher prices. We have also continued to obey the Elliot structures, where you can see that we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has now managed to get into the minimum retracement area in the formation of this wave 2, highlighted here on the charts using this red target area. And all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of that first wave in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.4839 mark. And having seen the formation of that first wave and a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, I now believe that Fantom is now in an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, and we are just about to fully maximize our minimum target areas in the formation of this wave 3. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you my target areas in the formation of that wave 3 and also give you my short-term scenarios here on the Fantom chart, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first give you my target areas to the upside in the formation of this wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.5713 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting Fantom to do here on the short-term scenarios. And as long as we continue holding above our key area of support at around the $0.5 mark, there are high chances that we have the support that we need for us to continue gearing up. Also see a breakout out of this chart pattern, which is an ascending channel to the upper side, once we also manage to break above the 20-day MA. And once that happens and the breakout happens to the upper side, we can expect a successful retest of the upper side of the channel before we can continue gearing up to fully maximize our minimum target areas. And to also confirm to you of the impulsiveness in the formation of this wave 3, I also expected to see a break above the wave 1 high of this Elliot structure right here at around the $0.4839 mark. And you can see that the moment we managed to break above that, we have continued to hold above the wave 1 high, which is enough confirmation of the impulsiveness in the formation of this wave 3 and the high chances that we are going to continue gearing up until we fully maximize our target areas. So that is what I'm expecting on the short-term scenarios. And by any chance we see any breakdowns over here, we need to continue keeping our eyes on the key area of support at around the $0.5 mark, and also our wave 1 high at around the $0.4838 mark, because we need to continue holding within those areas for us to continue expecting higher prices in the formation of that wave 3. And giving you my long-term outlook here on the Fantom chart, which will be given by these Elliot structures that I have right here in yellow, where you can see that we have now bottomed out in the formation of this wave 2 within this yellow target area, which was my minimum target area to the lower side in the formation of that wave 2. And having seen the low for that second wave, whatever we expected next was the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of that wave 3, I also expected to see a 5-wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high for that wave 3 to the upper side. And it is this micro Elliot wave count within the formation of the wave 3 that is now giving me the short-term scenarios. So let's be patient and see how that plays out. Continue watching the 20-day MA, the key area of support at around the $0.5 mark, and also our ascending channel, which could possibly give us a breakout to the upper side. And that's all for this video.